Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Home Assistant integration for Tesla vehicles step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Home Assistant dashboard. Log into your Home Assistant account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, click on the configuration option in the sidebar. In the configuration menu, select integrations. On the integrations page, look for the Add Integration button in the bottom right. Click on the Add Integration button. In the search bar, type Tesla and select the Tesla integration from the list. A prompt will appear asking you to enter your Tesla account credentials. Input your Tesla email address and password into the specified fields. Make sure to enable access to your Tesla account by clicking the corresponding checkbox. Complete any two-factor authentication if prompted by Tesla. Once logged in, authorize Home Assistant to access your Tesla vehicle information. You will see a confirmation message indicating that authorization was successful. Return to the integrations page to verify that your Tesla integration is now active. Your Tesla vehicle should now appear on the Home Assistant dashboard. You can begin interacting with your Tesla through the Home Assistant interface. Test the integration by using some basic commands to ensure everything is working correctly. Congratulations, you have successfully authorized the Home Assistant integration for your Tesla vehicle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.